Are you looking for a delicious way to lose weight? Enter the world of smoothies, a tasty and healthy option. These drinks can aid weight loss by keeping you full longer. We're about to share 5 delightful smoothie recipes, each with its unique benefits. Ready to dive into these delicious weight loss-friendly smoothie recipes? First up, we have a green detox smoothie. This vibrant blend boasts spinach's iron, kale's vitamins, and cucumber's hydration. To make it, simply blend these greens with a splash of water until smooth. Your green detox smoothie is ready to enjoy, and your body will thank you for it. Next, try a tropical fruit smoothie. Its ingredients, mango, pineapple, and coconut water, not only taste like paradise, but are also rich in vitamins and fiber, aiding digestion and metabolism. Just blend these together for a sweet, refreshing treat. It's like a tropical vacation in a glass with the added bonus of weight loss. For a protein-packed option, whip up a peanut butter banana smoothie. The creamy peanut butter provides protein and healthy fats, while bananas contribute natural sweetness and potassium. Just blend these with a splash of almond milk and a touch of honey. This tasty shake will keep you full and satisfied for hours. If you're craving something sweet, try a chocolate avocado smoothie. The ripe avocado adds a luscious creaminess, while the cacao powder delivers a rich, chocolatey punch. Simply blend these with your choice of milk for a heavenly delight. Here's your guilt-free chocolate fix in the form of a creamy, delicious smoothie. And finally, indulge in a berry blast smoothie. A delightful mix of strawberries and blueberries, rich in antioxidants, blended with creamy Greek yogurt for added protein. Simply combine, blend until smooth, and enjoy. A low-calorie treat that will curb your cravings and is absolutely berrylicious. And there you have it. 5 tantalizing smoothie recipes to kickstart your weight loss journey. We've explored the rejuvenating green detox, a tropical fruit delight, the protein-rich peanut butter banana, the indulgent chocolate avocado, and finally the berry blast full of antioxidants. We encourage you to give these a whirl in your blender and share your experiences. Remember, each sip is a step towards a healthier you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes and weight loss tips. For more info, check the link on my description.